Hello everyone. My name is Vahid. I'm a PhD candidate at University of Quebec in Montreal. The title of our poster is Transformer Beats, a transformer model for time series prediction of dairy milk prediction. First of all, I will have a brief introduction to predicting of milk income and its importance for precision agriculture. The problem of prediction of future milk income can be achieved through observing the historical information of the animals and features like health status and farm environment, milk quality, and seasonality factors over the past lactation periods. This problem can be stated as a multivariate time series forecasting task which demands capturing the temporal correlations and the dependencies between different channels or dairy variables recorded over the lactation months. The current time series forecasting models fall short in capturing both temporal and spatial or inter-series correlations at the same time. So we designed a transformer model which exploits transformer blocks in order to represent temporal correlations and inter-series dependencies by using multi-head self-attention and feed-forward layers inside the transformer blocks. And these blocks are connected using a residual manner in order to ensure that the most relevant information is propagated to the next block. So first of all, in the part 3, you see the architecture of our model, which uses two temporal blocks and two inter-series correlation blocks in order to capture the encodings of the time series from different perspectives, and these blocks are aggregated through the fully connected layers, and finally a fully connected layers is deployed in order to generate the dairy milk income over the next lactation period or the next lactation months. So the inter-series attention block is based on the self-attention module, but here we use the single attention in order to decrease the computational resources. So we use the query key values of self-attention module in order to calculate the attention scores between each pair of the dairy series, and finally these dependencies are encoded using the value matrix. We also use the residual blocks in order to send the most useful portion of the signal to the next block in order to improve the prediction performance. In our experiments, we used 100K animals for training and 47,000 animals to test our trained models. The forecasting results are reported and evaluated in terms of error metrics like rooted mean square error and mean absolute error, which are calculated based on the difference between the predicted milk income and the grand truth ones over the next lactation periods or upcoming lactation periods. The input length is set to 11 and the forecasting horizon is set to 22 months, corresponding to lactation number 2 and lactation number 3. The results are reported in this table, and as you can see, the error metrics corresponding to our model are lower than the other state-of-the-art time series forecasting models, including the linear transformer-based models like iTransformer, Crossformer, PatchTSD, and the RNN-based model, which is the MU model. Here in this part, we plotted the learned attention scores or attention matrix between each pair of dairy factors, And on the right hand side, the dynamic time warping distance between each dairy variable and are calculated in order to account for the similarities of the learned attention scores and the dynamic time warping distances. So based on this attention matrix, the learned scores are indicate the relevance of the dairy factors. So in conclusion, our proposed transformer bits model captures the temporal and cross variate or cross-channel dependencies efficiently. The encoder blocks are interconnected in a residual manner to help useful signal propagate to the next block. We achieve the best results in terms of the error matrix, and we apply transformer bits to longer horizon and shorter horizon, and we attained promising results. Finally, we are going to extend our proposed model to forecast different lactation cycles. In other words, the dairy milk income over different lactation periods. Thank you for your attention.